it's your turn, don't feel sorry for anyone. Go straight savage, then tell them to stay strong like you had to.
I'm back with another shoe haul. This time I got 3 pairs of sneakers from South Wharf DFO for under $200 for the spring and summer. Let's have a look. I'm really not much of a sandals girly. I obviously wear a sandal with a dress or whatever, or a cute little heel, but I'm a mummy and it needs to be practical, and I wanted to introduce some color back into my wardrobe, and I saw these and they were $69 each, so I just got all 3. Spring and summer for us mamas means we're still at the park, we're still running around, we're still doing things, but I don't necessarily want to do it in sandals. I got these, $69. They had so many sizes. I'm obsessed with yellow at the moment, just with everything and anything. Just think cute tan, shorts, skirt, with some cute little, I got lots of these little frilly socks. I think it's just gonna be such a vibe. I got a size 8. And I'm also obsessed with just this little orange tick. Look how cute. I had to get the exact same shoe in a different colorway. How cute, same little tongue. They're just so comfy. I put them on and I was like, nah, these for $69, what do you mean? They're just so cute. They're gonna look so good. You know what I specifically hate? Is when you are running after the kids and look, here's my proof. And your foot is in a sandal in the summer or spring and it's just sliding all around the place. I cannot. By the way, if you want to look up these sneakers, they are the Nike Pacific. One sec, let me tie my hair before we get into the next pair. I know these have been around forever, but they still deserve a place in the wardrobe. They are so gorgeous. These are the Palermo Elevata. Don't come at me for that. And they are in blue gum. These are just perfect for a little bit of height. They're such a fun shoe as well. And I just love this colorway. They're so pastel, they're so fun. I'm wearing literally this colorway right now. So good. You can always find a really good bargain at South Wharf DFO in the Platypus downstairs. Highly recommend.
I will never, for a moment in my life ever again, fight for somebody to see my work.